Hey, John from Mighty here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you guys our ability now to override the course title when you've published your course. So you may often run into situations like we do here at Maestro, where we're working on a course, and let's say we do need to create translations. What we'll often do is we'll copy this course, and then we will append it with the locale that we're using from a translation perspective. Or another situation that we've got is we'll do like an internal review. So we'll create like an IR, or we'll have like a final version. And what we're doing is we are renaming our course to make it easier to find inside of the Articulate Rise folder structure. Yeah, and that's really more on the authoring side. However, when you publish your course, it actually leverages the title that's here and can be very confusing for anyone who's reviewing your course, or when you're publishing your course out, if you don't remember to remove that part of it, it just gets appended as the course title when the learner opens that up. So actually what you can do now is if you go into our Power-Ups menu, under this published course title, what this allows you to do is it allows you to eliminate or rename any part of the course that you want. So that way when you publish your course, either out to Review 360 or just to your LMS, it will only have this title here.